Hi everybody, welcome back. Today for you it is time for update number 4 in my Mini Madness Project Pan. Real quick, some housekeeping from my giveaway that just ended last week. I wanted to go ahead and announce our winner was Mommy Wears War Paint, so yay, round of applause for her. If you did not win, do not be discouraged because we are less than 2 months away from the biggest national holiday, which is my birthday in June. And I will be doing a pretty nice giveaway for that one, especially to mark my 500 subscriber mark. So stay tuned, keep tuned for that to come up. So let's get started. I will link down below in the description box the Facebook link for the PANtastic Ladies group, as well as a Google Doc that will take you to everybody who is participating in this wonderful little collab so that you can go watch their videos at your leisure. This is a 10 pan rolling pan project, which means when you use something, you get to roll something in, and these are all mini deluxe size sample type items. I've been having a ton of fun with this, so let's see what kind of progress I made this month. So let's start off with what we pretty much know is still here and probably isn't going anywhere for a while yet. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I have not marked it yet because it's got a bit of an air bubble in it. When that air bubble comes out, I am pretty sure I will be right about in there somewhere. So we've made excellent progress on this, of course. Next up, the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel. I am right here at this little mark. I know it's gonna be kind of hard to see. You can't really bring it up too very close. I really like this stuff, so I am getting some use out of this. Next, we'll get to the two liners. The Sephora Contour Gel Eyes Waterproof 12-Hour Pencil in the shade Love Affair. Have sharpened it once more, so we're making some progress with that. And the Lancome Drama Liquid Pencil, the one in the shade Noir Intense. I have been using this pretty regularly. I've sharpened it twice. I am happy to report the Hourglass Seamless Foundation Stick. Look, that's all I can twist up. This is just about gone. I have almost used this up completely. The Caudalie Vine Active Eye Cream. There's not much left in here. To be honest, I thought there would be more product in here than there was. So I am down to there. We probably should be getting this wrapped up in maybe a month, maybe just a little bit longer, maybe. The Tarte Hydra Splash Lipstick in the shade Set Sail. Again, I never marked this from the get-go, but I promise you that's all that we have left in there. It's not a whole lot. We're probably almost done with this one too. And the last thing up is the Coola SPF 30 Makeup Setting Spray. We're about to here, so I've used this a couple of times and I finished a product. So happy I did. It is the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer. I really did end up loving this product. This is something I would consider purchasing maybe in this size, not necessarily the full size, just because I know that will take me a little bit too long to get through and I wouldn't want it to go bad. But I really did end up liking this. This was a fabulous backlighting primer, so loved that I used that up. And since I finished a product, that means I get to roll a new one in. And I promise you guys, I have baskets full of mini items. But Sephora Play has just been really intriguing me these past couple of months. So this was just recently in my Sephora Play. And they need to quit doing that because I'm trying to get through the basket of stuff I already have. But this is the Purity Made Simple Lightweight Moisturizer. I'm really excited to give this one a try. And so that is it. That is update number 4 on my Mini Madness Project Pan. I am a little late updating that this week. I got sick last week and had no voice. I had a little touch of pneumonia in my left lung and some wicked bronchitis. Wicked. That junk is just flying around and it seems like everybody is getting sick with it, and it finally hit me. So I am a little late in the update, but I did get it done. I'm so excited I got through another product, and then I got a couple more that are probably really close to being done and out the door. Once again, I of course want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure that you do open up that description box down below to check out the PANtastic Ladies of Facebook, as well as see all of the other videos of the panning projects that those ladies have going on. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.